Buhay, narito na muli sila yung Maharlika para magbigay siguro para bagong luck numbers nationwide for February 8, 2025. Anyway, congratulations to all the winners of our Petas Sumada nationwide dated on February 7, 2025. At narito na nga tayo para magbigay ng panibagong luck numbers nationwide. Today is February 8, 2025. Araw ng mga ahas or may infinity love. The nationwide dated on February 8, 2025. Araw ng mga infinity or ahas. So here we now sa ating 2-8 nang ibig pong sabihin dalawang klase ang 8. Either infinity or ahas. And for 2025, ang ibig po sabihin ay magnanakaw ng kaligayahan or nawawalan ng swerte. And here we now for our number 2, ay sa number 1937, ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay mag-asawang matandang lalaki. Why it is 1937? Because 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 equals to 20 and 20 bills number 2. And for number 8, is number 30 per 10. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay bilog na tahanan or sasakyan. And for 20, ay sa number of 1640. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay marami siyang nakabanggaan. And another one for 25 ay sa number 69. Na ang ibig pong sabihin yan may nakasalubong siyang mga chismoso-chismosa. And here now, for our first lucky number for today, February 8, 2025, our naman and it was 19 minus 37 equals to 18, and 34 minus 10 equals to 24. Ang ibig sabihin ng 1824, may naghubad sa munting tahanan. And here we now, for our second lucky number for today, 16 minus 40 equals to 24, and 16 minus 9 equals to 25. So our second lucky number is 24, 25. So here we now for our strongest number for today, February 2025, 18 minus 24 equals to 6, and 24 minus 5 equals to 1. So our strongest number for today, February 8, 2025 is 6-1. Ang ating 6 ay pwede siya maging 23. Ang ating naman number 1 ay pwede siya maging 10. So our strongest number for today is 623, 610, 61, 110, 123, and 2310. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para get updated. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.